Hello guys. In this video we will be discussing how to sort a Java array. So as you can see, I have created a new class called sorting example. Now let's create the main method and initialize a new array. Int array e equals curly braces of 1, 3, 2. Java provides a static sort method in order to sort an array. So let's do arrays.sort of e. This should sort the entire array in ascending order. Let's print it to the console. System.out.println of arrays.toString of a. Let's run it. Awesome! You have sorted the array in the ascending order. There is one more variant of this sorting method, which allows you to sort a subarray. Let's tweak our original array e and add 5, 2, and 4. Now this time, let's sort the last 3 elements of the array. Let's do arrays.sort of a comma from index of 5, which is 3, and the toIndex of 4, which is 5, plus 1, that is 6. Let's run it again. As you can see, it has correctly sorted only the last 3 elements. That is 2, 4, and 5. Now in case you want to sort the array in descending order, unfortunately Java doesn't have support for sort order in the sort method. And you also cannot use a custom comparator for Java primitive arrays. So the only way left is to reverse the array which is sorted in ascending order. I have linked the video on how to reverse an array in the description below. So please check out that video to reverse the array. We can use custom comparators for non-primitive arrays. So let's change the primitive array to integer array. And now we can use a custom comparator to sort the array in descending order. Java already provides the reverse order comparator, which sorts the array in descending order. So let's use that here. Collections.reverseOrder. Let's run it. Fantastic! You have successfully sorted the last 3 elements in the descending order. Well, that's all about it. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. And click on the bell icon to stay updated about my upcoming videos. Catch you in the next video.